Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify to Google Analytics conversions, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Shopify to Google Analytics conversions, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the online store section in the left sidebar. Click on Preferences to access the settings for your store. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. If you haven't already, create a Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. Once your account is set up, copy the tracking ID from your Google Analytics property. Return to your Shopify store and paste the tracking ID into the Google Analytics field. Ensure that you enable Use Enhanced E-commerce to track e-commerce data accurately. Click Save to secure your changes. Next, access your Google Analytics account. In the left sidebar, navigate to Admin. Under the View column, click on E-commerce settings. Enable both Enable E-commerce and Enable Enhanced E-commerce reporting. Now, go back to Shopify and navigate to Settings. Select Checkout and scroll down to the Order Processing section. Look for the option that allows you to add additional scripts. Paste the Google Analytics tracking script provided in your Google Analytics account. Click Save to finalize the script addition. Test your setup by making a test purchase in your Shopify store. After completing the test transaction, return to Google Analytics. Navigate to the real-time reports to verify that your transaction was recorded. Confirm that the data is reporting correctly in the Conversion section under E-commerce. By following these steps, you will have success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.